friends, today I'm going to show you how to make something that literally breaks the laws of physics, almost. It's a liquid, but it's also a solid. See, now I poured the magical liquid from the intro into this giant bowl here. Now I'll show you how to make it. The first step you need to make it is you need some cornstarch and you just need to pour all of it into a bowl here. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. And now, if you want, you can add some dye. But remember, if you are adding some dye, add it before you add the water, okay? If you are using yellow dye, you can use turmeric, like me. Just pour it into the bowl. Yeah, that's it. Now, just slowly pour some water inside. Wait, I'm sorry. Instead of adding the water immediately, you should actually just mix it a bit. So, yeah, I guess it's mixed enough. Yeah, enough. So, now you can add the water. See, first just add some water here, mix it. At first, just add some water that you think will make the cornstarch just stick, okay? Now add some water slowly and mix it, okay? That's what you want to do here. Add a suitable amount of water and then mix it. It's better to mix it with hand. So, yeah, a little bit of it is done. Now just the other. Wow, it's mixing, but all the cornstarch has gone to the bottom. Yeah, now we are making it. And now let's add some more water here. Oh, I guess I added a bit too much water. But just enough. If I would have added a little bit more water, everything would have been wasted. See, now I mixed it thoroughly. So, now I'll show you that it's actually working. See, it's a solid like you see here, and it's also a liquid like you see here, like this. It's a liquid. So you see that. Now I'm going to tell you why it works. See, the solution is just cornstarch and water. The turmeric doesn't do anything here, it's just for color, okay? So So when it is acting like a solid, because when you add high pressure to it, like squeezing it very hard or even punching it, the water escapes from that place immediately. Like think when you punch a bowl of water, the water splashes immediately, right? Like it splashes immediately. Like, yeah, you see that? Immediate movement. But imagine if you actually punch sand, a bowl of sand, then it wouldn't move at all. Like, almost like that. So, the water just goes to the bottom layer of the bowl. Actually, the furthest layer from the immediate source of movement. Like for example, when I'm punching up, then because I'm punching here, the water wants to escape, and then it will go here down, and it turns into a liquid because it hasn't dissolved enough to actually be a solid when there is no movement also. So that is why when you just like do this or put your hand in it, then because it's not like punching it, it just moves into and water takes over now. Sure, even the cornstarch is still there, but the water takes over because it's the water which actually needs to take over. So the ratio between the cornstarch of the water and the water is enough to make sure that the water takes over when there is no peer pressure involved. So that is how you control if it is a solid or a liquid. So that is how you make this magic liquid. And by the way, it's called a non-Newtonian fluid. And that is how you make this liquid.